Hello friends, I'm Parvez and this is our 10th video in Pyside2 GUI development. So in the previous video we have learned that how you can create a nice digital clock using QLCD number and also Q timer in Pyside2. So in this video we are going to talk about creating status bar in Pyside2. So now let's get started. I have created a new Python file and I'm going to copy my window code and paste it in here. Because I don't want to repeat the codes, by this reason I'm going to copy this, just change the title to status bar, and now let me just run this. It's just a simple window. You can get these codes from my blog, or you can watch the first video. So you can see we have a nice window. Now creating a status bar is easy, so there's no problem. You can just we need to change this to Q main window, because in Q widget we don't have a Q status bar, so we need to change this in Q main window and Q main window like this. Okay, so now also we need to import a Q status bar class. First thing I'm going to create a new method in here. I call it def create status bar. Now I need to create the status bar, so self my status Q status bar, and we need to set the message. So my status dot show message, and let me write status bar is ready. And in here you need to give a time for your status bar. I want to give 3000 milliseconds, and self dot set status bar self dot my status. Just simple, and this is the method, and you can just call your method in here, and self dot create status bar. Okay, now let me just run this, and so now we can see we have status bar is ready, and it's 3000 milliseconds. Let me run it again. Now you can see the status bar is ready, and now it's gone. So thank you guys. I will add a source code to the video description. If you have any question, please let me know, and for the further videos subscribe to my channel, like the video and share the video.